Quinton Tarantino, one of the most acclaimed filmmakers of all time, is known for his bold ideas, surreal visuals, and mind-bending storytelling. But he wasn't always a Hollywood icon. Once, he was just an ordinary guy working at a video store, until one night, he decided to rewrite his story. There was one night when he stayed up all night long, and instead of giving himself excuses, he took a long, hard look at everything he hadn't done or wasn't doing, and he decided to stop making excuses. He spent the entire night writing down everything he was doing wrong, and then spent the last 2 hours figuring out how to change it. Instead of just finishing his list and going to bed, he made the decision to change his life right then and there. Today, I present to you the Tarantino Method. To follow this process, you'll need 3 things: a pen, a notebook, and the dead of night. When the world is silent, and no one else is awake, that's when it can happen. The first page is always the hardest, but the key is simply to get the ball rolling. Once you've started, ask yourself the big, scary, fear-inducing question: what am I doing wrong? Be brutally honest, just like Quinton himself would say. Take your time. Dive deep. It's tough, but it's absolutely necessary. And when you push through it, boom, you're halfway there. Now everything is out there: the fears, the doubts, the mistakes, the lessons, the heartbreak, laid out for you to see. Not just swirling in your mind, but right there on paper, tangible and real. Take a moment to reflect, because now you need to ask yourself, how can I change this? We're not all Quinton Tarantino, and you might feel like you've run out of ideas. So let's keep it simple. Make a straightforward list of 100 ways you can change your life. The process is simple: take a mistake you've learned from and write down a way to change it. Repeat this over and over again. Write it down, adapt, reflect, learn, and grow. Eventually, when you ask yourself, how can I change my life? You'll have 100 ways to do it. But there's one very important thing you need to remember throughout the whole night: you actually have to do it.